This is the local beach in Ormoc. It's a great day. It's a holiday today, isn't it?
National Heroes Day. National Heroes Day.
National Heroes Day. Oh, that's a good time to celebrate. It's National Heroes Day. What time is it? 9 o'clock? 9 AM. And it's packed already. And we've got our food. Kids are here. First time, the beach? Yeah, first time? Don't be shy. Lots of families here. We're going to have a good day today. The weather's lovely. John and Karina are on their way down with a nice bit of roast lamb, which I don't think many people here have had roast lamb, to be honest. First time on home soil. Hey kid. Are you ready? Are you ready to swim? Yeah! We'll get her in the sea now before it gets hot. Yeah.
It's a tamban.
Hey chef.
Yeah. Hi.
Here he is. Master Chef, Philippines. What are you cooking for us today, Don?
The fish kaya?
The fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this one of your special recipes? How long have you been cooking this recipe?
Just now.
Just now? Oh, it's a brand new one. Don's going to try something new today. He usually produces these amazing culinary masterpieces, but I think today he's just cooking fish on the barbecue. Amazing. Tell us your technique, Don.
Just a normal technique, eh?
Huh?
Just a normal.
Just the basic mantika, yeah?
Yeah, basic.
Wow. This is going to set the culinary world alight, you know. All the families out here on holiday. The sky is a beautiful colour. Everyone's happy. I've got my tuba, which is always a good sign. No Pepsi though. I'm just going to go and check on the other contestants, okay? See how they're getting on. Okay. What are we cooking?
Pork.
Pork. Wow, look at that. You can almost taste it in the video. Wow. It's marinated?
Yes, sir.
What also among marinated? Like a, what's it?
Chicken pork.
Adobo? Adobo marinade or?
Ihaw.
What's that?
Ihaw.
What's that? What's that?
Kana siyang sinugba.
Sinog? Oh. Smoky. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Wow. Oh, I have. Get it. Cheers. Wow. Imong pamilya?
Yeah. You want sweet?
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Kinilaw.
No, it's okay. Kinilaw.
Kinilaw, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Gamay lang?
Dili.
Just I will try. Most suway. Gamay.
Tumon ba?
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I use my finger.
Kain.
Wow, look at this. I love kinilaw.
Marunong ka magbisaya?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang.
Oh. Unsa yista?
Isda niya tamban.
Tamban.
Oh.
Okay.
Tamban yan.
Wow, Samban.
Oh, sarap.
Ah,
Ito,
so good.
My fork.
You look like Banda.
Look like who?
Yeah.
Look like
Bandam.
Van Damme?
Jean-Claude.
Jean-Claude Van Damme?
Ah.
Thinking about it, looking at... Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I look like Van Damme.
He's John Cena.
Huh? John Cena?
John Cena.
The wrestler?
The wrestler.
Now it's John Cena, it's getting better.
Oh.
It's nice to see summer in the sea and just chilling out. She's really calm and collected and relaxed, which is what I wanted. I didn't want a baby that was going to be scared of the water like I was when I was a kid. Oh, we're in deep water now. This is my favourite bit, when I drop Michelle off in the deep bit. Just swim. So you can swim. Just wait. It's pushing me out. I'm holding the camera. It's a bit of drama.
Why did you bring me there?
Well, it just makes good TV. She's got tempo now. It was going so well. Here we go. The big boys arrived.
Na may kwan din dong nagdako. Kaya lang tagtaran.
Oh my god, let me just have a little snippet.
This one all?
Hang on, I've got it.
What do you want to go for?
Yeah, fucking useless here. Hang on. There we go. Oh, lechon lamb. That's my man here.
Do you want to cut some of that shell? Cut it? Huh? You want to cut it?
Oh, that reminds me of England.
Here in the Philippines, they don't understand cold frickin' beer. You get a bottle of beer, it's cool, but it ain't cold. Oh well, shit happens. And I'm not repeating anything you tell me to say. Last time I did that, I got in deep shit, no two ways about it.
Last time he told me something in Bisaya, and I don't want to hear that again. Those rude words.
That's
it, yeah.
What's that mean?
It means, oh, I'm not very good looking.
I'm gay. It's been a great day. Lot of tuba. A lot of tuba. Met some lovely people. Filipinos here, great. Really, you know, we were invited up the other end there. We had a drink with the guys and the girls. It was just lovely, wasn't it? It was really nice. It's talking to us. I tell you, this tuba. Yeah, we're having frisbee throwing with the locals here and over there. It was good fun. We've got everybody involved. Everybody. I reckon there would have been 20 a side. Seriously, it was really good.
I love coming down there.
Wrap it up.